Welcome back to another episode of What the What with me, Fena Barbitall. And today we're talking Star Wars, baby. Anybody who knows me knows that Star Wars is my favorite film, my favorite genre, my favorite thing of all time. You could stick me in a box for the rest of my life with a TV and one thing, a DVD of Star Wars, and I will be happy. I will simply survive on the incredible glamour of Carrie Fisher as Princess Leia. Picture it. Little Ryan and his dad and his brother, pretty much all opposites. You know, my brother's 9 years older than me, and my dad, he's like a million years older than me. So we don't have too much in common. But the one thing that brought the three of us together was Star Wars. I know it sounds weird, but every time we went to the video store when I was a kid, this is the one thing I wanted. No matter what, I could rent 5 videos, at least 3 of them were the Star Wars trilogy. I feel like Carrie Fisher awoke something inside of me as Princess Leia. And as much as I can say, you know, Madonna inspired my drag, this character 100% inspired Fena Barbitall, the person who's sitting in front of you. I was born in 1984. The films had just finished their run in the movie theater. So sadly, I was not alive when they first debuted, but I had them on VHS. I had them literally recorded from the TV on my VCR. If you want to know what a VCR is, Google it, child. In the 90s, they did a re-release in the theaters. This was my moment. This was like Christmas times 1,000 to me. Getting to go and see these movies in the theater and experience it just like my brother did and my dad back in the 70s and 80s. Let me tell you, a magical experience. I want to share something with all of you out there that maybe if you've followed me on Instagram, you've seen me do before. Usually on Star Wars Day, May the 4th be with you, I will partake in some blue milk. Blue milk is the famous drink featured in Star Wars A New Hope. It's sitting on the counter in the kitchen, and the first thing you think when you look at that cup is, what the hell is that blue shit? Some say it comes from the Banta on Tatooine. I say it comes from George Bush. We're gonna make blue milk together right here, right now. Let's get started. You're gonna need a blender, a cup of ice, some blue Kool-Aid mix, some blue food coloring, vanilla extract, measuring utensils, tropical punch juice, and something to drink it out of. I'm no scientist, so bear with me. 1 cup of ice cubes, 2 cups of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of blue Hawaiian fruit punch mix, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to add a dash of this tropical punch blue food coloring. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little drops. The rest, pray to God, is in your hands. I think it's great. I love it. Look at that beautiful color. Well, today we've cooked or made a drink. Thank you for joining me on another episode of What the What. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below.